Do you want to know how you can log into your Samco mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Samco mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Samco Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Samco Mutual Fund. Wait for a while and you can see this login portal pop up. Go ahead and write down your PAN number on this section. After you write down your PAN number, click Continue. Then a password option will come up. Write down your password, check your password once again, and then click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign in to your Samco Mutual Fund account. If you are new to Samco Mutual Fund and want to create an account, this is the link for you to create your account. If you want to read about the conditions of use and privacy policy of Samco, you are free to read this by clicking on this link. I hope this video about how you can log into your Samco Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.